I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I type like this 1D 4AF. So type like this 1D 4AF. And I can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. One of my fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in this key. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the cursive T or large script letter T we have created using this method. So remember, this is the shortcut. First you must type 1D for AF. After that you must press these two keys at the same time for creating. One more method is there for doing this. You must first turn on the num lock. You can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. After that you must type here 11998 After that you can release your finger from this alt key. So again you can see that this is the alt code method we have created this cursive letter T. For more videos you can subscribe.